Well, hey there, folks. It's Prison Jim again, and I'm gonna show you a new recipe. We're gonna make prison fudge. I got some vanilla sandwich cookies from the commissary. I need to take them, and I need to remove the cream. I've separated it all out. Now it's time to take these cookies and smash them! Add a little hot water to those cookies and mix it all together. Now I'm gonna add 3 spoons of peanut butter. And I'm gonna mix that all in there together. Once it's mixed nice and good, I'm gonna just plop it into this pan and I'm gonna smash it down to the bottom. If you have access to a microwave, heat it up for 1 minute. Looking good. Let's make the topping. We've got that cookie cream. Now we're gonna add a little coffee creamer to the top. A couple teaspoons of peanut butter, a little hot water, and then I'm gonna mix that in. It needs to be nice and creamy. And then you just pour it right on top. Spread that out on top. For an extra treat, you need some Reese's Pieces. You just take them and you place them on top of that fudge. Then we just pop it in the freezer for 45 minutes. I'm ready for it. Cut yourself a slice. Ooh, this fudge looks good. Prison fudge. Whoa. That'll make them all happy. Now get off your ass and make some fudge.